Hey everybody, my name is Gabriel and I'm here with Deck by Design, and today we wanted to show you our Parma project for Kevin and Donna. So you can see on this deck we have the TimberTech Pro Reserve Reclaim Chestnut as the main floor, and the double picture frame is the Fiberon Sanctuary Latte decking. There's a nice contrast between these two boards. I personally like the two-tone look. Some people don't, they like a more subtle look, but personally I think the two-tone look is very nice. Temporarily, just for safety, we put these two deck boards in. Obviously, this is not finished work. Kevin and Donna have a concrete guy coming, and they're going to do a nice poured concrete walkway here to the right elevation so that the step is at the proper height. You can see we did the unique picture frame trim on all the stairs on the rises. This is a railing by Trex. It's Trex Signature powder-coated black aluminum railing with a square baluster. We use the Trex Transcend charcoal black composite sleeves over a 4x4 post that's tied into the frame with ledger locks and blocking. This is the beautiful cocktail rail in the latte. And what's nice about this build is they did a double picture frame on this landing, and on the main floor. You don't always see that. A lot of times it's just on the main floor, but they went all out and did it on all of them. Here you can see the picture frame trim around the staircase and the two-tone look. And then because they have the dog Bella, they got the Trex Signature gate, the gate kit that comes with the railing. And some more features on this deck. We have these DSI powder coated black aluminum column wraps. These wraps can actually be used as a structural post, but that's not how we're using them in this application. They're just a wrap for the decorative look, and it really matches the railing. You can see the full double picture frame on the main floor around, and the cocktail rail. On the header for the pavilion, we have white AZEK trim, and we also have white AZEK trim on the gutter board where the gutter rests, just to finish the picture when you look at it. We did some white AZEK trim underneath the rafter where it ties into the siding, just to clean that up and give it a more professional look. Now up here isn't finished yet. Kevin and Donna are going to have this cantilevered eave here removed and the siding removed, and they're going to be building a decorative accent wall from the floor all the way up to our rafters. And so this is going to be a beautiful showpiece when it's done. It's not done yet, obviously, so this isn't finished work technically. You can see our roof is extremely solid. We have 2x10 rafters. Our beam is a double 2x12. We have 6x6 posts. And you can see the H1 hurricane ties. If you look inside of here, you can see the H1 hurricane ties to protect the structure from uplift. On the deck itself, we have 2x10 joists, 16 inches on center max. A lot of companies only use a 2x8 joist. We're doing a 2x10. And this deck is freestanding, so there's a beam here, and a beam on the end. And those beams are all double 2x12. They're direct bearing on the notch of a 6x6 post, so it's a very sturdy build. And then for the foundation, instead of just 150 pounds of crete in a hole with the post sitting on the crete and then backfilled, we actually have solid concrete piers poured 5 feet deep, 6 inches above grade, with the sonotube form to form the footer with the Simpson bracket. So it truly is the best way to build a deck. And I think one of the best things about this build is nature, the backyard. You can see the ravine going through there, and the rock wall behind there, and these beautiful trees. So this deck really complements their backyard, which was already beautiful.